Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to download and install Windows 11 Pro for free. Let's start. First, open your favorite browser on your device. Search for Windows. Find Microsoft official website link. Click on this link. Now select Windows 11 installation assistant. Download started. Completed. Open this application. Right click on this one, select open option. This PC does not meet the minimum system requirement to install Windows 11. This means we cannot download Windows 11 from this page. Now check what's the problem. Now we will see what's the problem. You cannot download Windows 11 from this website for my device. Windows PC health check setup. Downloaded this checker. Click on run. Installation started when this application installed on my PC. After this I will see what's the problem. Check now. The processor is not currently supported for Windows 11 because my PC is Core i5 7th generation. So how we can to solve this problem and download Windows 11? Scroll down, select third option, select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO file. Click on download now. Select language for your operating system. I want to select English United States. Click on confirm. Now again select 64-bit download. When I click on this link, download started. When this download completed, I will come back. Finally, download completed. Right click on this application, select mount, scroll down, find setup.exe. Select yes. Preparing installation started. Windows 11. Install Windows 11. Check how setup download update. For this time I don't want to update nothing. Click on next. Accept this terms. Choose what to keep. Here we have three options: keep file and app setting, keep just file and nothing. I want to select the first option to keep file, application and setting for my new Windows. Just click on install option. Your PC will start several times. Just click on next, and finally Windows install it on my PC, Windows 11. And also I have everything. Okay, a new Windows. I have all application, personal file and everything. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.